Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to whatever time zone you are in. Welcome to WizPod. Of course, I'm your host and this is the second episode of our video podcast. And as sabi nga namin ng last, here at WizPod, we'll loosen up and learn about business on a personal level. So, ayan nga po, So, last episode, nag-iwan ako ng tanong sa inyo. Sabi dito, what made you stay? So, sa work man yan or sa relationship, etc. And for today, we will be reading some of your answers. From Marian Reyes, malanobela ha ang haba. Sabi niya dito, she stayed because of the kindness of her boss. Also on how his boss encouraged and supported her through her work journey with the company. So next naman is from Zar Odel Balderas Bohol. Ang haba rin ng kanyang pangalan, but he said, I believe that everything happens for a reason. Even if there's that one person who pulls me down, I do still pick myself up, have faith in God, and continue with life every day. I hold on to that system because it will make me a strong person, and I believe that every situation will have positive implications in the future. Grabe, napaka-deep. And lastly, from Elisa Lynn Kate Parocha Flores, sabi naman niya I am the type of person who doesn't easily give up. As long as someone believes in me, and if I feel like I am the person who will be a catalyst for someone, I'd stay until I prove myself enough, achieved what I needed to, and fulfill something to someone. So, grabe naman yung mga sagot nyo, So, ako ba, what made me stay? So, sa tingin ko, if you know the comment na, if the price is right, ayan. So, para sa akin, yun yung sa akin to stay or yung to think about if I'm gonna stay pa or Mukha bang pera? Hindi naman. So yun, syempre hindi na ako lang ang sasagot niyan. So let's welcome our guest, the Baguio and Benguet Provincial Election Supervisor, Attorney Elenita Julia Tabangin Kapuya. Napakahaba, Attorney! So, Attorney, kamusta naman po kayo?
Mabuti naman po ako at saka masaya naman po ako na na-invite
nandito
ako.
Kayo ngayon.
Yes, sa Wiz podcast na ito.
Yes. So, Attorney, I'll do questions po, So, if it's okay, I'll start na po sa ating questions. So, sa bilis ng panahon po, So, it's just gonna be 2 years far from 2025 or 1 year na lang pala, 2025. How are you preparing for the upcoming elections?
For these coming elections, marami kaming activities. So, nag-start na po yan sa registration natin noong February 12. And that will end until September 30, 2024. So, hindi lang registration yan. Registration, reactivation, correction of entry, yung change of name, pwede pa, updating of election records. Tsaka kung matagal ka nang nag-vote at gusto mong ipa-update yan, ipa-update natin o mag-register ka anyo kung wala ka ng pangalan o reactivate natin kung deactivated na yung pangalan mo sa records namin, pwede naman. So, may bago rin kaming programs tulad ng Register Anywhere Project. You can register anywhere kahit saang lugar ka. Taga saan ka pa, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, Leyte, Zamboanga. Wow. Pwede ka mag-register dito sa Baguio Benguet. Tapos, ililipat namin o itatransmit namin yung records mo doon po sa kung saan kayo residente. So, yan naman.
So, hindi na mahirap, Attorney.
Opo. So, tuloy-tuloy yung pagpaparegister natin. Then, inspection of polling places. Mandatory yung ginagawa din namin yan. And the deadline is August 21. Tapos, lahat ng election information na dissemination na ginagawa namin yan. Just like this, we're busy with that today. And sa mga coming weeks pa.
Yes po, Attorney. And also, nabalitaan ko, there will be 2 elections in 2025.
Oh yes, there will be 2 elections
so,
in 2025.
can you share with us that one po?
Oh, the first one is talaga namang dapat na on 2025, the second Monday of May, national and local elections. So, we're going to vote for, naka 3 terms na, mayor, senators, and then congressmen, mga councilors natin, yung mga yan. Pero, yung barangay elections and SK elections again, mag-hold na naman ulit kami December 2025. So, that's within the same year, pero manual naman siya. Yung elections natin ng is automated, yung national and local, pursuant to Republic Act 9369, which is the automation law.
So guys, there will be 2 elections ha. Practice your rights. So, second ano po, speaking of elections, balita ko po, meron kayong book, attorney.
Yes, meron akong book. Ang title po niyan, Insider's Notes on Election Laws. At ito pong book na ito, it contains hindi naman yung bang complicated matters about elections, hindi. Merong ano dyan, yung mga doctrines na tulad ng the second placer, sino ang papalit pag may na-disqualify. Is it the vice governor, vice mayor, mga ganyan, or is it by rule of succession under the local government code. So magkaiba yun. Then meron pa yung how to file disqualification cases against yung mga kalaban nyo na alam mo namang hindi residente, but you can see na nandiyan, nag-file siya ng certificate of candidacy niya, but hindi naman siya residente sa inyo. So, paano mo, how will you take action concerning that? Or, yung OFW ka, pero gusto mong mag-vote na rito. Paano yun? And then, meron pa yung statement of contributions and expenditures. If you are a new candidate, kahit nanalo ka, kahit hindi, you have to fill up a statement of contributions and expenditures at merong simple way to fill it up. How to fill it up? Diyan po sa aking book na yan.
So, it's very full of insight, attorney. So, what's the title of the book po, attorney?
Ang title rin yan, as my title also, doon po sa aking articles na sinusulat, is Insider's Notes on Election Laws. From an insider. Kasi, I am a COMELEC employee at from the beginning pa, since 1991 na ano ko dyan.
Tagal
so,
na,
that was the time that you were born.
Kaya, 1992 nga ako, attorney.
Kaya parang mga anak ko na kayo. And I've been with the COMELEC office for almost 32 years.
Wow. So, hanapin po natin yung book na yan, guys. So, also, attorney, I heard na partner niyo po si WizWorks, for social media and web development. So, pwede mo ba kami kwentuhan about your experience naman po with WizWorks?
Opo, hinanap ko talaga kung sino yung web developer na available during that time. Kasi it is also to promote my book. Yun ang una. Then pangalawa, to give information also sa lahat ng mga tao na gustong magkaroon, yung gustong malaman kung ano yung tungkol sa election laws, how to file cases, na you don't need to hire lawyers ba, na pwede mo namang basahin dyan sa libro ko, or i-provide namin dyan if you like to ask questions. So, nakilala ko nga yung inyong owner na si Mr. Migs Concepcion, na batang-bata pa, na full of ideas.
Yes.
And kaya, trinay ko, and ang next question is, what made you stay dito? Kasi 1 year na ako dito sa inyo. Talagang okay naman ang inyong service na binibigay. So that's one. Pangalawa, if meron akong gustong ipa-post sa aking website, nandyan naman kayo na handang tumulong sa akin. So pag sinabi ko na please paki-post naman ito, agad-agad nyo namang nagagawa. It doesn't even take a day.
Yes.
So mabilis yun. Tapos pangalawa, pag
team.
pag merong mga komentaryo, binibigay nyo sa akin agad. Kasi I don't have time to look at my website every day dahil sa dami ng trabaho namin sa opisina, marami din akong inaasikaso. At the same time, I am also a wife and mother. Ang dami kong ginagawa. So, hindi ko nababasa yan all the time.
Opo.
Kaya, yung comments nakakarating sa akin, it's through you. And yung nagbibigay ng information doon, yung mga updates about elections, how to register, ano ba tong right nating ito. Yan nga yung emphasis nyo, di ba?
Yes.
It's about the right of a person to vote. Bakit ba importanteng bumoto? This is a democratic form of government, Republican, gano'n-gano'n. Nilalagay nyo doon, nasa-surprise nga ako about the pictures na nakaka-invite sa mga bata. It's nice. Kaya dumami tuloy yung aking mga followers, pero hindi pa naman ganun kadami. However,
Famous na si attorney.
ang project ko kasi dyan, hindi naman to get 100,000 followers. Hindi naman. Ang ambition ko lang naman dyan is kahit hanggang sa pag-retire ko or within 20-year period, assuming na I will live that long, magkakaroon na ako ng mga 5,000 followers and above.
At least nakaiwan kayo ng impact, attorney, no?
Opo, tsaka ito na po yung makabagong technology na kailangan gamitin natin para maka-reach ka ng mga tao. Kasi ang question sa akin, dun nga sa Regional News Group Luzon, yung bang bakit ka may website? At saka ang question, bakit ka walang book sa seed daw, sa jet, mga ganon. Hindi kasi, if I'll get a publisher, ang mangyayari sa akin, magpapatong ako ng additional payment doon sa book. Second, then, pag mataas yan, yung access ng mga tao mas limited na.
Yes.
Okay pa naman ako na ang primary purpose ko naman kasi is to give information. So, employed pa naman ako. So, kaya ko pa naman yan. Kaya, hindi naman yan yung main purpose kung bakit tayo nag-publish ng book. The main purpose is to give information. Kaya, ang ginamit ko yung para sa mga bata at bagong technology, which is the use of a website.
Yes. So, for attorney, what made you stay is because yung WizWorks nga po has been very effective and helpful para sa inyo. Tama po?
Apo, tama.
Yes. So, thank you, attorney. But before I let you go, can we do a little fast talk, attorney?
Sige,
Yes.
paso.
So, attorney, fast talk po tayo. So, would it be more time or more money?
More time.
More time. Life rewind button or life pause button?
Wide button.
Okay, so skydiving or scuba diving?
Scuba diving.
I'm a water ka, attorney. Salad or soup?
Salad, syempre.
Yes. New house or new car?
House, new house.
Singing or dancing?
Dancing.
Sample, attorney. Dancing. So, fruits or vegetables?
Fruits.
Yes, ako din, attorney. Favorite part of the day?
Afternoon.
Sunset?
Hindi, yung magnanap ako sa hapon.
Ano ang mas madali to let go or to hold on?
To let go.
To let go. Last question, attorney.
Pagpipilitan ko pa yung sarili ko ayaw na nga ako, ba?
Last one, attorney. Complete the sentence. Gusto ko mag-alaga ng...
Gusto kong mag-alaga ng fish.
Yes! So again, thank you, Attorney Tabangin, for joining us, and thank you also to all our viewers and listeners. And before we end this episode, narito naman ang iiwanan kong tanong para sa inyo, guys. So, can you guys show us your pet? So, share a photo of your pet and tell us what makes them unique sa comment section natin, and babasahin namin yan on our next episode. So, maraming salamat, everyone, and we hope to see you on our next episode only here at
WizPad! Hi everyone! This is Julia of Comelec. Visit WizWorks website at www.wizworks.com and follow WizPad's social media platform at Facebook and Spotify, WizPad YouTube and TikTok, WizPad by WizWorks, and at WizPad by Wiz. Thank you!